All I need to do is just plug this. All I need to do is just plug this in. I need to plug this in right here. Oh, guys, look at this. Guys, whoa, guys. Hey guys, I didn't see you there. So yeah, today we're gonna show you my new keyboard. It is called, as you can see, it's called Red Dragon Kumara, and yeah, it's a mechanical gaming keyboard, and as you can see there, and whatever that is, and my other keyboard, it's downstairs. It's like squishy. Well, not like the squeezy thing, but it's not mechanical. So yeah, let's just open this box right here. Let's just open this box. Okay, I don't really know how to open this box. It's pretty hard. I might need some help, and okay, wait guys, as you can see, it's really hard to open. I just need to break this tape so I can open.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so oh, whoa guys, look at this. By the way, I love bubble wrap. Comment below if you like bubble wrap. So I'll just show you the whole thing that's going on. So this is the keyboard. Oh, that feels amazing. It's very clippy. Okay, let's go take it out. Okay, so there's also a bug. It's like an extraction thing. So yeah. So yeah. So guys, this is the keyboard, and I'm gonna open it. Whoa, guys, look at this. I'm very impressed. Okay, I gotta be careful. This is really heavy. And guys, look. It's a gaming keyboard. It sounds amazing, guys. Yeah, sorry. So guys, it feels amazing, and look at this, guys. It sounds amazing too. And as you can see, I'm about to set it up, and yeah, I'm about to set it up. So yeah, and then all I need to do is just plug this. All I need to do is just plug this in. I need to plug this in right here. Oh, guys, look at this. Guys, whoa, guys. Whoa, guys, look at this. Okay, look at this. Look at this click. Whoa, look at this. How did that happen? So, the first button that I'm gonna show you is the Delta one. It just kind of shows a wave, or a rainbow wave, and then there's three different kinds of Delta ones. So there's this one, and then this one. And yeah, that is a pretty cool one. I tried this once, and it is amazing. This one is my favorite one so far. And yeah, so just if you want to figure out how to do all these stuff, just press FN and then click one of these stuff. So the next key is the end, and just press FN and then end, and then it will show like an end thing, a rainbow one, and there's like 3 different kinds, and then this is this one, and then this one, and then that one. So yeah, if you want to get this keyboard, just get it from Red Dragon, or you can get it online. So the next key is the PGDN. You just press FN and then PGDN. So it just shows like a thing that's pretty cool. It's like going forwards and going backwards. And there's a pink one that is my favorite. And then there's the rainbow one again. And then just this one. Okay. So yeah, guys. So the next key is FN PG up. So FN and then PG up, and then it just shows like a fidgeting thing. It's really awesome. So I just want to see if there's some more. Whoa, that's so cool, guys. So it just like goes together and then goes out. It just crumbles and then goes out. So the next one is home, which is just show blank. It's just nothing, no lights, no anything, no. And then the last key that I'm gonna show you, it's called INS. So the next one is the INS, and just press FN and INS, and then it just shows different colors. There's green, so like green, and then cyan to blue, and then purple to pink to red, and yeah, I will show you the next one. It's called the PRTSC. Wait, guys. There's no more. So guys, I think that's all for now, and I think that's all the keys that I showed you. And stay tuned for another review, or a box, or a toy review, or a gaming video. So yeah, see you tomorrow, guys, and you know, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below if you like bubble wrap, and also comment below that should I do some more reviews, and yeah. So yeah, see you tomorrow and stay cool. Peace.